Hello, AP Environmental Science students. In today's screencast, we're going to continue talking about Chapter 4, which is Biodiversity and Evolution. All of today's notes are based off of Living in the Environment, the 16th edition by Miller and Spoolman. So 4.3's main question it's asking is, how do geological processes and climate change affect evolution? So the main idea here is that tectonic plate movements, volcanic eruptions, earthquake, and climate change have shifted wildlife habitats, wiped out large numbers of species, and created opportunities for the evolution of new species. So the first thing we need to talk about are tectonic plates. And tectonic plates are these gigantic solid plates that float over molten rock underneath our Earth's surface. For hundreds of millions of years, these plates have drifted very slowly atop the mantle, which has had two major effects on evolution. First, the location of the continents and ocean basins have greatly influenced the Earth's climate and thus determined where certain plants and animals can live. Also, the movement has allowed species to move, adapt, and form new species through natural selection. So this figure over here shows the movement of our continental plates and how it looked 225 million years ago in the whole big continent called Pangaea to present day. So there are some other geological processes that affect natural selection, including earthquakes, which can cause fissures in the crust that separate and isolate populations. This is going back to like reproductive isolation from 4.2. And over long periods of time, this leads to our formation of a new species. There's also volcanic eruptions, which can destroy habitats and reduce or wipe out populations of species. Climate change and other catastrophes have also affected natural selection. Throughout its long history, the Earth's climate has changed drastically. So we've had ice ages followed by periods of warming. This affects ice sheets, sea levels, temperature, precipitation, among a bunch of other things, which can determine where different types of plants and animals are able to survive. Through these dramatic ups and downs of temperature and ice ages, some species go extinct and open up niches for other species to move in and occupy that same space.